Joseph Chetcuti is quite well known, but not necessarily for all the right reasons.
Skulturi tal-artist Joseph Chetcuti f'esibizzjoni temporanja fil-Mużew Nazzjonali tal-Arti, il-MUΖA. Għalkemm li dan l-artist tlifnieh 4 snin ilu, xogħlu jibqa' ħaj grazzi anke għall-Funderija Artistika Chetcuti li ħadet ħsieb ittella din l-esibizzjoni.
A lot of people associate his name with monuments, with public artworks, most especially the monument to Jean de Valette, which is just outside of the MUΖA Museum. However, Joseph Chetcuti was much more than just a bronzesmith or an artist who got commissions for monuments or for public artworks. He was an artist in his own right. And this exhibition, which we've put up, is really testament to this much. Joseph has a bit of a reputation as il-Brunzar, which is a bronzesmith, because he founded the first artistic foundry for bronze in Malta in circa 1993. So a lot of artists went to him to be able to cast their artworks into bronze on the islands. This came at a bit of a price, because obviously when you're doing all the works for others, you have to put your own works aside. So he wasn't always able to dedicate as much time as he would have liked to creating three-dimensional sculptures. There are a number of smaller works on show, which were the preparatory works or the maquettes for public pieces and monuments. However, there are also some pieces which were thought to become at least public artworks, yet they were never realized in the grandeur that they were designed for. For example, Joie de Vivre, the two dancers, and way back in the exhibition gallery. Unfortunately, that was one of the last pieces that Joseph created, yet it never made it to its full size. Joseph never really had opportunity to showcase his works during his lifetime. He was dedicated to the foundry, so he participated in very few collective shows, and only once was his work shown in silo at the Malta Government School of Art in Valletta, and that was in 2014. However, that was almost like a pop-up show, for one evening. Never has his work been shown on this scale, and never have there been so many sketches and drawings vis-a-vis even sculptural works. In addition to these works, to the drawings and to the sculptures, we wanted to create a lot of intimate touches. So you'll find his spectacles on one of the plinths, you'll find some of his favorite books, you'll find a pencil box with all little stubs of the pencils. You will find items from the foundry, like the crucible, like the casting ladle, bronze ingots, the molds for the bronze ingots. To us, all these things paint a more concise and complete picture of who Joseph Chetcuti was. Joseph Chetcuti, the sculptor and bronzesmith, is showing at MUΖA in Valletta in the Camerone. Entry is free of charge, and the exhibition is open during museum hours until June 25th.